Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is uncured meat safe to eat? Since natural ingredients convert to nitrates and preserve the meat from harmful bacteria, uncured salami is similar to the cured version. Therefore, it's perfectly safe to consume it right after you purchase it. Many people are trying to eat less processed meat due to its potential health concerns. Is uncured better than cured? The main difference between cured and uncured meat has to do with the fact that cured meat uses artificial preservatives while uncured meat uses natural preservatives. Cured meat also generally has a longer shelf life than uncured meat. How long does uncured meat last? Like most meat, uncured meat can be safely stored in the refrigerator for up to 7 days after purchase. To minimize the chances of foodborne illness, you should store it on the counter at room temperature or cooked before consumption.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.